How to submit an assignment in Google Classroom. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Classroom, click on your classroom, and then in Stream you'll find your assignment pop up. Simply select on the assignment where you want to submit an assignment. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the right side, you will find Add or Create. There, you need to add your assignment. Click on it. You'll find Google Drive link file, or to create new, you can use docs, slides, sheets, and drawings. I already have an assignment. Simply click on Google Drive and then click on Browse in your drive. Select a file from your folders. After it's pasted, simply click on Turn In. Click on Turn In again, and your assignment will be submitted. If you want to edit or forgot to edit anything, you can also click on unsubmit, but this will be available only in some of your assignments. Click on unsubmit and then click on unsubmit. It will be unsubmitted. You can edit and again add in the same way. This is how to submit an assignment in Google Classroom. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.